Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now in this video I will be doing another butterfly locks install. This install is sponsored by Niseyo here. They sent me their updated version of their butterfly locks. So I have done butterfly locks video before, but this is just their updated version of the locks. So if you want to see how I got this look and how I styled this here and the method that I used to install these beautiful butterfly locks, then please keep on watching. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I post. Okay guys, so just showing you what they sent me. They sent me their card, they sent me the two tools, and they pretty much give you the option of either doing it with your single braids where you intertwine the hair, or you could do like cornrows, like braid your hair back and then put it at the roots, like do it like crochet style. They also sent me 10 packs, and I think 12 came, I think it was 10 or 12 came in each pack. I didn't use everything. I had about 2 packs remaining. Yeah, I didn't use all of it, but I'm pretty much just doing the crochet method, so just looping it through the hair. Also, even though I have done a butterfly lock style on my channel, this time around the locks were softer and they were more skinny, so it looked neater to me as opposed to the next one that was more bulky, and to get it through the loop was harder than this time. So every time that they sent me like new hair, they have updated the style and the making of the hair. So even though I'm doing the hairstyle again, the hair was updated, so it's now skinnier, so it goes through the loop without no form of interjection, nothing, like smoothly. It's smooth to install, and also it's not heavy on your head. But yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch the video as I do this install. I did try to style the hair also, so it's not just the regular butterfly locks and then that's it. I tried to put in a little bit of style so it's not so boring. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch as I do this install. All the links for this here will be in the description box, so do not forget to check the description box if you want to purchase this here directly. I will probably have a code there. I don't remember if I was given a code, but if I was, it would be in the description box. Everything will be in the description box down below. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch as I install this here and also style it. So this is pretty much the end of the video. I want to thank Niseyo here once more for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I hope this was a cute and easy style that you guys can imitate. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. Also, do not forget to share my video, because like if you guys don't share, then other people won't see it, and then it's like, you know, it's bad for business. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.